Welcome back here to Midday, Kentucky. I'm joined now by Allison from Bluegrass Medical Aesthetics. We wanted to bring Allison in to tell us about some of their aesthetic procedures that you offer to give us a fresh look for summer, right?
Yes, we have a lot of things we can do, definitely.
And Allison, what is one of the most common procedures that you see patients coming in for?
There's not necessarily a common procedure, but maybe just a broad range of procedures to slow down the aging process. For instance, one of the most popular things that we do is the nasolabial folds.
Oh, okay.
Whenever we make a face, such as smile,
Okay.
we're squeezing out that collagen and elastin around the mouth. So as you can see with this photo, how much she looks more radiant and youthful just by a little bit of that hyaluronic acid filler in the mouth area. Just to pop it out a little bit so that it's not so indented, because we lose that volume as we age, and then every time we make those faces, again, we're squeezing out that collagen and elastin and breaking it down.
Allison, those before and after pictures, that looks really dramatic. For people who maybe have a trouble spot like that, talk to us a little bit more about the exact procedure. Is there downtime? How long till you can go back to work?
There's very little to no downtime. Whenever you inject or stick a needle in, you are at risk to a little bit of bruising possibly, but with that procedure around your mouth, it just really looks that instant gratification, beautiful procedure.
And sticking with a similar area on the face, you also treat the smoker lines, as they're called, right? What is that procedure?
It's funny that they're called smoker lines because they're just really or just aging lines.
Okay.
We, again, squeeze out that collagen elastin even by sipping on a straw. So everybody gets those smoker lines. You know, some people kind of make a puckered face naturally and don't mean to. So we get those lines around our mouth, which, I mean, that is a really prominent feature on our face, and that's where we give the kisses, and so we want that to look more youthful. I mean, who doesn't want to make our lips stand out more?
Yeah. And after having a treatment like this, how long do those results last?
So they can last about 1 to 2 years, depending on what product you're receiving. So we have a lot of different either Restylane or Juvederm products that fix those lines around the mouth and just make it look smoother without adding volume and getting those duck lips, which is not what we want.
Well, speaking of adding volume to your lips, you also offer a procedure for that looks so natural, not the duck lips at all. I'm really interested in this. We'll show some before and after pictures, but how do we achieve this look? What's the process?
So that is Restylane Silk, and with this patient right here, which we're doing a special on this month, that is in the inside of the lip to just give more of a pout and smooth out those lines and make it more youthful, because again, we lose that volume as we age and it deteriorates. So just adding a little bit can really help.
And aside from these injection treatments, you offer a lot of other services that help us maintain these treatments, right? What else do you have?
Yeah, so after you get or go into the injectables for that instant gratification, you want to get the most out of it, and really getting the most out of it would be coming to see me.
And you have a VIP program where people can see you monthly.
Yeah, and that is really where I see the biggest change in the skin. With that, we offer a 30-minute facial, a microderm, or a chemical peel, and I see you once a month for a year. I see change after 2 months, major dramatic difference with pigmentation, fine lines, really the texture and tone of the skin. So all those things really prolong any injectables, but we can make you look and feel more young and youthful. So.
And I love that you work hand in hand with Stacy, your master injector, and then can come and see you to kind of maintain the look. And you have a little incentive for our viewers, right?
Yes. We're doing a special with Galderma this month, and that is when you purchase a syringe of Restylane Define or Refine, you get a syringe of Silk for the lips for free. Which is a $575 value. And so that's a wonderful treatment if you want to do a little bit around the mouth and then the inner lips without looking like you've had anything done.
Oh, that is awesome. Allison, thank you very much for coming in. We have all the information up on the screen. Schedule a consultation. Go over and see Allison, or our master injector, Stacy. They will take excellent care of you.
We will, yes. Thanks,
all right.
Katie.
We'll see you after this break with more Midday Kentucky.